Hello, good afternoon. Michael Wynn, Chief Digital Officer of Digital Ops, a division of RB Oppenheim Associates. Welcome to the virtual Lunch and Learn, where we talk about and discuss digital marketing strategies to build your business. Today, we're going to talk about 4 must-haves for building landing pages that convert. Think mobile first. I mean, that's really the key. We have to understand and know that when we are placing a digital marketing campaign, the biggest sort of influencer or power that's going to be behind that is going to be the social web, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or whatever the platform may be. The majority of your users that are consuming that content or that are being displayed your ads, more than likely they're going to be on their mobile device. And so when they tap learn more or buy now or free sample and they click that button, they need to land on a page that's ready to go in their mobile device. So let's talk about and really get a good understanding that websites can generate leads, but landing pages are designed only to create lead opportunities for your business. So when you understand that, I think there's 4 things that we need to really think about. Number 1, we need to provide instant value. In today's market, we don't have a lot of attention. We get distracted very easily, and we're always looking for great value. So as your business, when you're thinking about that landing page and the content or the offer that you're going to provide, keep that in mind to provide instant value. You want them with the ability to enter their name, email address, maybe phone number. It depends on what you're looking for, but for sure email address. And then boom, give them instant access, whether it's an ebook, whether it's a white paper, or if it's some kind of custom chart related to your industry or service. Think about that kind of value. And then a couple of other great free offers or instant value content pieces would be access to a free webinar or a free course that you might offer to provide them more education on how to get the most out of your product or service. Checklists are a great tool to provide someone. Everyone wants to be prepared before they make a decision, or everyone wants to be prepared to make sure they get the most value out of the thing that they purchased or that they're looking to purchase. And then, of course, if you have a subscription model, offer them a free trial. Or if you have a particular product, you can offer them a free demo or a free consultation. All of these things, you want to be able to provide instant value. Number 2, remove all the distractions. And so what I mean by that, we were recently working with a client and creating a landing page, and we were working with their web team, and they did a really great job in understanding what landing pages were. So removing all of the navigation items, the navigation button, it seems counterintuitive, but again, we're trying to remove all of the distractions. You want that user, when they hit that landing page, to know you want this one thing, and you're going to give them instant access to that valuable content that they were interested in. So again, remove all the distractions. No navigation at the top. You don't need a sidebar. You don't want long paragraphs of text. You've got to be concise, compelling, short, to the point, get your value, click here, make it easy. Number 3 is understand the funnel process. We've talked about this in a previous episode. For those of you who may be tuning in for the first time today, if you haven't checked out our digital marketing funnel series, I highly recommend it. 5-part series. You can go dig deep into the funnel process, but just make sure that you understand that landing page, you need to understand, is this for general awareness? Is it for the consideration stage? Is this for the conversion stage? Or is it loyalty? Or is it advocacy or brand ambassadors? So understanding those 5 funnel processes and what the content is on your landing page is critical. Number 4, at the very bottom, you must have, in order to be compliant with many of the ad platforms, especially AdRoll, which is probably one of the best retargeting ad platforms, you must have a link back to your homepage and a link to your privacy page as well. Now that can be done in a very small footer area with a button or just a hypertext link that takes that user there. But again, it's all the way at the bottom. So again, if we go back over these, the 4 must-haves would be provide instant value, right? You want to offer those ebooks, white papers, custom reports, webinars, free demos, free trials. Number 2, remove the distractions, no navigation, no sidebars, no long paragraphs. Number 3, understand the funnel process and how it relates to the content on your landing page. And number 4, make sure you have the compliant issue pages that you need so that you're compliant with the guidelines of the ad platform. So again, when you're building these landing pages and you want them to convert, you have to think mobile first. If your website is not mobile optimized, but you're still running ads, understand that they are not going to convert at the rate they should. Even for some companies, it would be better served to have a subdomain structure like offers.mydomainname.com and create a mobile optimized. So don't, trying to get your website redesigned so you can run ads, can really put a stop in your process. So you don't have to have that. You can easily create a single page landing page, mobile optimized, use WordPress, super simple, and then direct your ads to those mobile landing pages. So mobile first is huge. If you're not sure how much of your traffic is mobile optimized, you can always check out your Google Analytics reports. In Google Analytics, it can show you the network, the devices, operating system. There's a lot of information that can give you statistics and data that will show you, number 1, what kind of device, desktop versus mobile viewing. And then of course you can look at, what are the referrers? In other words, where are people coming from to get to these specific pages, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or an email newsletter, whatever that source is for your digital ad campaign or marketing tactic. So it's important that you understand, again, these 4 must-haves really can make or break your digital campaign. So when in doubt, make it mobile, keep it simple, and provide value. At the end of the day, those are the keys to making sure that your landing pages convert. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Michael Wynn. I am the Chief Digital Officer of Digital Ops, a division of RB Oppenheim Associates. Hey, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.